Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today I want to share with you a fun game that you can do with your kids or your grandkids. You could even do this with your church group, Bible study group, whatever you want. If you are ready to celebrate Passover, Pentecost, Feast of First Fruits, Unleavened Bread, Resurrection Sunday, or even Easter, whatever you do to celebrate with your family, this is a game you can play. So instead of doing the traditional Easter egg hunt, I learned this from a friend of mine and I so fell in love with it. We can actually take little people and hide them in the yard. And then when the little ones go to pick them up and put them in their basket or their bag or whatever they're using, and they bring them to you, you can actually reward them with a little money. Let me show you. So I went ahead and hid a few of them in the yard. I've got that little horseman up in the tree down below. I've got a little girl hiding there. I want to hide them really far away from each other. I want to teach my kids and my grandkids how we can go and we can share the gospel with people all over the world. There we have a little girl hidden there and there. And I like the way some of my figurines, they're actually different nationalities. Isn't that adorable? Make some of them a little bit hard to reach for the little kids in your family, and then make some of them easier to reach. This is going to help us teach the story. So sometimes we can go to people that are close to us, and sometimes we have to go to far away places to share the gospel. Sometimes they're going to be right next door to where we are. Sometimes they may look like us, and sometimes they may not. Sometimes they may be way far up in the tree. And sometimes they may be so close to you that you can't see them, but you might have to look a little bit harder to find them. Ah, look, she fell over. There you are. Well, then when my grandkids bring the little people to me, I'm going to reward them with either some quarters. I looked for $2 bills, but none of the banks had any, because I want to give them money for the little people that they found. And I have 16 little people and I have 7 grandchildren. So I'm going to tell them, go find 2 people to share the gospel with. When they bring back the 2, then I'm going to give them some quarters, because when we go out and do missions, we need money to fund our work. So I'm going to teach them about that. But there's going to be 2 missing people that they're going to have to work together to go find. And when they bring those back, I'll give them another reward. I just love this idea. I love the idea that it's not about Easter, it's not about bunnies, candies, and all of that. It's about sharing the gospel. And that's what Passover, that's what Pentecost, that is what Feast of First Fruits, that's what Feast of Unleavened Bread, that's what it's teaching us. It's all about how Jesus came to redeem those who are lost. So I can teach this to my children and my grandchildren, and I hope you like this idea, and put in the comments wherever you're watching this video what ideas you came up with. How many little people did you find in your kids' toys that you had to kind of swipe so you can use it for this game? Thanks for watching, and most importantly, thanks for sharing the gospel with those you know.